Let's take a look at the chart of gold. So, 1 hour chart po ito ni Goldify. Yesterday, binasag natin tong resistance niya sa 1 hour. Meron din good retest sa area na to. So, after the breakout, nag-retest. And right now, meron tayong resistance na na-encounter dito sa previous SR flip area. Okay, so ito yung previous support, tumalbog tayo, and then nung tinagos, now, nung nandiyan tayo, of course, nakaka-encounter tayo ng some resistance. Kung aakyat natin sa higher time frame, we're going to see sa higher time frame, no? Based on our TPI trading system, ang next resistance na po nito is itong all-time high sa 4-hour time frame. So meaning to say, pag nabasag natin itong SR flip area natin na to, if we break this out convincingly sa 1-hour time frame, itong SR flip area na yan, we might see gold revisit its all-time high. Maybe this week, again, kung babasagin tong resistance na to at around 4470, 4480 area. Ngayon, ang immediate support natin para doon sa mga nagde-day trade using the 15-minute time frame, if you have our TPI trading system, you're going to see itong red box. No? So red box na po ito, magiging immediate support yan if in case tagusin natin itong previous resistance na turning into support ngayon. So ngayon, meron ka pa nakikitang support dyan. Tumalbog pa, nag-bounce, and then ngayon, nandun ulit yung price. Tignan natin kung kaya ulit tumalbog at magbabounce ba ulit tayo. No? So just in case, hindi matibay yan, balik tayo dito sa red box natin. So, tignan natin mamaya sa US market ko ano ang gagawin. But general trend ni gold is, we're going to notice, is up. Follow for more T2 Move.